Racing just is started with iconic break with little start Gray Angel tailwind in the middle let out the outside now is Zenredo Waki then next on line sort of War Creation Tiger Wood Bohemian Dave Wild Sambat is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have tailwind by our length anyhow. Right behind in second is Owaki. Iconic is down on the inside towards Zordowar. Is racing in for this moment. Gray Angel comes next. Then followed over by Henry VIII. Next on Lannis Creation. Tiger Woods somewhat while Bohemian Dave now racing and last back to the leader. We have tailwind by our neck. About to throw the challenge. Nobody else that is Owaki. Then here comes Iconic Zordowar. Henry VIII is racing in fifth. Creation comes next. Gray Angel. Tiger Woods Zambat and Bohemian Dave. And they are now entering the home stretch with Iconic by about half length. About to throw the challenge. Nobody else that is Henry VIII as they swing for home. We have Iconic by our length and a half. Henry VIII in second with about 100 meters of the race. Iconic Henry VIII now moves somebody outside to take the lead. It's now Henry VIII Iconic and finally Henry VIII Iconic. Then comes Owaki, Zord Owar Creation, Tiger Wood.